Hey everyone, so this is my day one from my TCA cross treatment and chemical peel at home, and this is how my skin look. And I will share my daily skincare routine after my treatment. Alright, so let's start. So first I use the Banish serum. So this is a dark spot corrector with vitamin C and A. And by the way, I did not use toner, but I washed my face using Banish All Clear Mint Cleanser. And let's go back in the video. So I use actually 4 drops of Banish serum all over my face, including my neck, just to, make sure that my skin will be well hydrated and moisturized. Alright, and then next is the Banish Fighter Gel. So this is a soothing gel. And I just want to share with you everyone that when I started using the Banish Fighter Gel after my TCA cross treatment and chemical peel, I did not experience any skin itching, especially when my skin started to peel. If you're also experiencing the same, I can recommend Banish Fighter Gel to relieve your itchy skin. Alright, and then next I will use the Banish Vitamin C Cream. So this is a daily brightening moisturizer. Moisturizing your skin is really important after your TCA treatment, because it will make your skin to peel and heal faster. But please also remember that do not over moisturize your skin, because it will make your skin the other way around. Alright, and then next I will also use or apply the Banish Instant Lift Brightening Eye Cream. So I started to religiously use this eye cream because I'm turning 30 and I'm starting to see fine lines and wrinkles, so I need to slow down the signs of my aging. Alright, and then lastly, sunscreen. So I am using the WC Natural Flawless Sunscreen. So this is with SPF 50 PA++. So sunscreen is the most important product that you need to apply on your skin, especially after your TCA treatment, to avoid or lessen the chance of developing hyperpigmentation, and please avoid direct sun exposure. And by the way everyone, if you want to try the Banish products, you may visit their website www.banish.com/mars, and you may also use my discount code MARS to get $5 off for orders $50 above. Alright, that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Thank you! Mwah.